And we're getting ready to go to Mackinac Island. We're gonna stay at the Grand Hotel for the 4th of July weekend package. And we're gonna do lots of cool things on Mackinac Island. Lillian's over here, she's ready. Are you ready to go swimming? Yeah? Yeah. I think we're gonna go swimming today because it is hot. We're excited to get on Scheffler's Ferry. We love riding Scheffler's Ferry. And we'll show you our adventures on Mackinac Island. Of course, we have our bicycles with us ready to go. And we're getting our luggage unloaded. Here's the ferry dock, the line we're gonna get in. I think we're gonna make the 11 a.m. ferry. We have to get registered for parking first. Usually we leave from Mackinac City, but St. Ignace is actually much less busy. And we were already in St. Ignace.
So many guys that walk here.
Yeah. Everybody has their bicycle. Are you ready, Lillian? Ready for Mackinac Island? And we're getting on. We're gonna try to go up top, because that's kind of fun. But sometimes it's full.
This is a small publication put out by the State Park Fish on the island. Got 65 pages in it. Got a great little map. Shows you all the walking routes, bicycle routes, historical monuments on the island.
Because I think you might be able to catch one.
We're selling this handy little guide book for $2. If you'd like a copy, raise your hand as Jimmy makes his way down the aisle. Thank you.
Oh, really? Oh, I bet they were really excited they get to come here now with you.
Welcome to Mackinac Island. We know how exciting this is, but we ask that you pay attention to a few quick announcements. Please remain seated until the vessel can be secured to the dock and luggage carts are unloaded. Please watch your step, both at the stairwells and at the ramp when...
we're getting off the boat and we're gonna jump on our bicycles in just a few minutes when we get to the end of the dock here. There's Steve, there's Lillian. She had a great boat ride. We sat up top the whole time and we didn't even get that cold. It's a beautiful day on Mackinac Island. If you don't bring your bike, there's about 100 different options of places you can rent them. Probably not 100, but quite a few. Here's where you pick up your luggage, or sometimes they send it directly to the hotel. They're sending ours today. And here is the main street. A lot of people come out for a day trip. We like to stay overnight or for a few days because this is a wonderfully family-friendly place. So much to do with your kids. You smell the horsies? And there are many, many horses on the island, so there's a little bit of horse poop. And sometimes it smells a little bit like horse poop, but it's really not that bad. Here is the Lakeview Hotel. Lots of stores behind me, and fudge, of course. Mackinac is famous for its fudge.
Time for your helmet.
So we're gonna head over to the Grand Hotel and then we will show you all of that. And we made it. We biked to the Grand. A little bit of an uphill ride, but we do it every year. And now we're here and we're gonna head in, try to check in. We are early, so our room's probably not ready yet. And then we're gonna have the lunch buffet and head over to the pool. There's these horses waiting to get started. Horses everywhere. They have beautiful, beautiful flowers and plants all over Mackinac Island and the Grand Hotel property. And this is the Grand Hotel coach, so if you're staying here, you can get in there. And this is their beautiful lawn. Looks like it's already set up for the summer carnival, which we will be attending tomorrow and the next day. Here is the view of the hotel from here, and that world famous porch with the beautiful red geraniums. This lady lets you in, checks you, makes sure that you are staying here, because if you're not, they make you pay $10 just to get in. Here's Astor's Salon. You can get hair, nails, makeup. Lots of wedding parties use that. There's the flower shop. There's a jewelry store. Beautiful, beautiful hallway. Look at that gorgeous carpet. And just very cool historical photos on all of the walls here. Wonderful places to relax, sit, have a beverage. And this is the art store where you can get paintings by Marley Musser. We can check that out in more detail later. is a clothing store. So in case you need to pick up a new outfit, you can come do that. You can get a quick snack from Carlton's tea store and eat it out here. There's even a mini-size table and chairs for the kids.
I'm too big. My butt doesn't fit.
You're too big now.
And there is the check-in desk just ahead. That's where we're going.
I'm too fat, so you can't catch me. What's in this place?
Let's go look.
I remember that. I remember over here. I remember over here. What's in here?
It's the kids club, but we're not quite old enough yet.
The kids club? This is the kids club?
Yeah.
Oh.
There's an arcade. Want to look at the arcade?
Yeah, Daddy, that used to be something else. That kids club used to be something else.
Remember this room?
And why is no one in here right now?
Because it's nice outside. I want to be outside playing.
This is a card where if she does these activities, 5 of them, we get a free scoop of ice cream at Sadie's. So we're definitely doing that. Here's the store. This is our favorite store. This is the main store. And we love shopping here. There. Lots of cool kid stuff.
It's the occupants from the car.
No, can I hold it?
We can come back later and get some stuff, will we?
Absolutely.
Maybe after lunch or after swimming.
Hello. Hi.
Some puzzles.
Daddy, this guy's being
More books. Look, here's some books, honey.
well, who doesn't have books that I read?
Yeah, they are. They're kids' books.
Here's the one.
The store has a lot of cool souvenirs and just cool stuff to use and buy. And
Oh, there's a plenty of this here I
awesome
like.
clothing options. All right, there's the store. All right, running up the stairs for lunch. This right here, the Autobahn Wine Bar, is very nice. You can have a drink, play a game. I don't think we've ever actually done that, but we could. That is the area where they have music at night. Here is the indoor long lobby area. They have afternoon tea here. And here we go for the lunch buffet.
And here's the room we had our wedding reception in 7 years ago this week.
Okay, we just had the lunch buffet at the Grand Hotel. I think Steve was very satisfied. There are lots of options, lots of veggies, fruits, desserts, kind of heavy on the meat, so probably not my favorite meal they have to offer here, but it seemed like he had a lot of good things to eat. Personally, I would say if you're a vegetarian, this might not be for you, but certainly a lot to eat. Also probably not for kids either. We didn't see a lot of kids' choices, but she did enjoy the fruit and some of the breads. So there you have it. Now we're gonna head out onto the porch. Lillian wants to try out the big chessboard because that's one of the things on her card that can get signed for free ice cream. She already got the try something new initialed on her card, so now she has 4 more things to do. And then we're gonna head over to the swimming pool because we cannot wait to go swimming. I will play chess with you. There's usually a lot of kids playing on here. Alright, I'm gonna play chess with Lillian now.
Some of them, not all of them.
Lillian has her snow cone. You can get as many as you want, and they are awesome. Do you like it? Yeah. And I have my poolside cocktail. This is the daily special. Steve has his poolside cocktail. And I'll show you the rest of the pool. Just a little bit. I just walk this way.
Nobody pressed the button.
Snow cone man.
Here is the fantastic snow cone machine. It's awesome. There is the view. You can sit up there if you like on those sun chairs, and we often do that. And this is the beautiful, magnificent Esther Williams swimming pool. You can get poolside food. I actually ordered a little bit of poolside food myself just now. It's a hot tub. And we found our own corner right here. And this is Lillian's private cabana. She's gonna try to take a nap. She probably won't, but she's gonna try. Well, I did order some chips and guac and salsa. I don't eat salsa, but I love guacamole. A little spicy, but great afternoon snack. It goes well with my cocktail, which I found out is an Island Breeze. Not what I ordered, but I like it. There's the pool again. There's Lillian taking her break. Well, we're done swimming. It's 4 p.m. and our room is guaranteed to be ready now. We had a great time at the pool, had some cocktails, some chips and guac. Lillian played a lot. She's clearly tired now as well. What do you think, Lillian? Are you tired? No? Never tired. Never tired. They're never tired. But we're gonna go check into our room now. All right, here we are in our room. Lillian ran in ahead of us, but this is our beautiful room. This is a standard room. It's what you get when you book the package for 4th of July. We've stayed in other rooms here, and some of them are a little bit bigger, but most of them are pretty much the same. You get 2 beds, some chairs.
I lost my other wing.
We have had more exciting views than this one, but hey, it's just fine. We probably won't be spending much time in our room anyway. Lillian, do you want to get the door for Daddy? It's actually a very cool room. We really like the designer,
No,
Carlton Varney, who designs the Grand Hotel rooms. And there it is.